Alright guys, so welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's episode we've got the Realme X2 Pro and we're going to be doing a camera comparison of the Realme X2 Pro and having a deep dive into the camera, which I know you guys have been asking for because you guys want to know, is the camera good or not? Because that's one of the main factors of a phone. When you go to buy a phone, you want to know that it has a good camera. So yeah, we're just going to be showing you guys some of the pros and cons of the camera, and right now you guys are seeing the selfie video, 1080p 30 FPS, that's the maximum it can go up to, no 4K or anything like that, which is usually saved for flagship phones. But yeah guys, I'm outside, let's take some photos and let me know guys what you think in the comment section below. Alright guys, so as you can see, the Realme X2 Pro provides great dynamic range, so great consistency across photos, great saturation, so every colour pops and makes the photo look a lot better, and even more impressive, the detail. So as you can see on my dog's face right there, the fur, every single strand is captured, and also great background blur, so it looks like a DSLR took the picture. Alright guys, so as you can see from the upcoming photos, the Realme X2 Pro can get up to 20 times zoom while keeping extremely great detail. Once we finish after that, we're going to take a look at macro shots, so let me know what you think of the zoom capabilities in the comment section below. Alright guys, so this macro camera is great, I have to say. It captures excellent saturation, and most companies usually add them to have like more cameras than they really need. But Realme have actually done a really good job right here on the Realme X2 Pro by keeping the macro camera really high quality, and I have to say, it doesn't go unappreciated. Right guys, so on to selfies. Now the Realme X2 Pro actually takes really nice selfies, although it does miss out some of the blur sometimes, as you can see on my headset there, but I think this takes the nicest selfies of any phone I've used, including the Google Pixel 3a XL, just because it makes me look nice, it exposes my face properly, and it makes the features of my face look really nice, and I have to say, great selfies from the Realme X2 Pro. Alright guys, so as you can see, the Realme X2 Pro provides really good detail for being in low light, especially when it's zooming. So as you can see, 5x zoom right there is actually really crisp for 5x zoom in low light. But as you can see, this is low light, there's night mode. Not that much of a difference, and then tripod mode, which is obviously my favourite because it really does brighten up the image, and I would suggest guys, if you can, to just use tripod mode because it just looks so much nicer. But you do have to keep the camera really stable. If you don't have a tripod, I would recommend, if you're using the tripod mode, to either invest in one or just try and keep your hands as steady as possible. But yeah guys, the tripod mode shots are really impressive on this. Night mode, not so good, but if you can, get a tripod and use tripod mode. Anyway guys, now wrapping up, have rear-facing video and slow-mo. Alright guys, so this is rear-facing video on the Realme X2 Pro. As you can see guys, I'm right outside, I'm in the garden, because we're not allowed to go anywhere because of social distancing. Yeah guys, as you can see, this is the rear-facing video of the Realme X2 Pro. So let me know guys what you think in the comment section below, and also what of the microphone quality and all that. So yeah, sun shining in my face, so sorry about that. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the comparison. Comparison, eh? May have a future episode coming up against different phones for the Realme X2 Pro's video performance. But yeah, let me know guys what you think of the video quality and photo quality in the comment section below. Guys, so we are just testing out the stabilization on 4K at 30 FPS on the Realme X2 Pro. So if we start running now, don't know how jaggedy that is for you guys, so that's if you're running. Let's say we're walking pretty decently fast, but nothing too bad. There is also a stabilized mode, so I'll show you guys that right now. Alright guys, so we are in the ultra steady mode. Let me know what you think of the ultra steady mode in the comment section below, as well as the microphone quality of, well, the entire video itself, even the selfie video, as well as the rear-facing video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. We're just going to run with the stabilized, and we're just going to walk decently fast. So I'm just testing out how that irons out that. So that was the full review of the Realme X2 Pro's camera Let me know, guys, what you think of the photo and video quality in the comment section below. As you guys can see right here, we're using the 1080p at 240 FPS slow-mo footage right at the back. So if you're a fan of slow-mo, there's slow-mo footage of the Realme X2 Pro. I didn't include any of the other modes just because most people will never ever use them, so just the main 4K video, ultra steady mode, and all the photo modes, including the ultra wide, the zoom capabilities, and all that. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think of the video, photo, and microphone quality in the comment section below. And most importantly, guys, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay techie, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.